Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce to you a tool that helps automatically increase engagement for your TikTok live stream sessions. With this tool from us, it supports managing an unlimited number of TikTok accounts. So you can add as many accounts as you have to the software. It can manage hundreds, thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of TikTok accounts automatically for you. Also, for these TikTok accounts, the software already integrates proxies. So you just need to add proxies to change the network IP addresses. This way you can avoid duplicate IPs, prevent the platform from scanning and flagging your account as spam, which could affect your channel. You can also add network IPs to fake the IP address on TikTok. To interact with live streams on TikTok, you need to go to the seeding function. Here you can configure the feature settings on the right hand side. I'll set up the configurations here, everyone. And for this function, I'll select the seeding live stream section. After that, I'll enter the live stream link down here. So here, I'll just use any live stream link as an example. Here, I'll take any random live session as an example. You just need to copy the link at the top here. Then you'll paste it into the software. That's it, just paste it into the software for me. After that, save it. Once you've saved it, I'll set the live viewing time. I'll set the live stream viewing time right here. Here it's measured in seconds, so you can set the time to whatever suits your needs. For example, if you want to watch the live stream for a certain number of seconds, just set that time here. Next is the section about sending hearts on the live stream. It will automatically send hearts and post comments. For the comment content, you'll enter it down here. You can enter any comment content you want right here. You can enter each comment on a separate line for me. That's it. Just press enter to go to the next line. After that, I'll save it. Once you've finished setting up all the configurations, select the accounts you want to use for seeding. Then just click the start button. So after I click start, the software will automatically enter this live session. It will search for the exact live session you want to seed. Then it will watch this video. As you can see, it's watching the live stream. So by watching this live stream, it will automatically increase the view count of your live session on the TikTok platform. After watching, it will automatically start sending likes. As you can see, it automatically sends likes as well as automatically comments. After sending likes, it will then start to comment on your live session. So if any of you want a tool like this, please contact me. I've left my contact information below. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.